Good afternoon slash good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Avalanche or Avax. Wanted to do an update on that. It's well, the market structure right now is still very bullish. I know a lot of you are interested in these updates. We're having a relatively good weekend so far. I mean, Bitcoin had a bit of a struggle earlier today, but it just broke above well, it's not really a key level, but yeah, it's managed to stay relatively bullish right here, and Avalanche as well. I mean, I covered this last, I think either yesterday or the day before, and what I said then is that, I mean, Avalanche in general looked very strong, and it still does. All right, if you take a look at the open interest right here, you'll see that it has decreased a bit. All right, so Thursday we hit that top right here at $24. Since then, it has decreased a little bit, together with the volume, but that obviously also has to do with today being the start of the weekend. But over the course of today, the open interest has actually grown a little bit more, and I expect that to continue. All right, and even though the open interest compared to where it was when Avalanche topped is quite low, you can see that the price is almost there again. All right, so that is just bullish. All right, because the price needs less open interest right now to get up high. If you take a look at this actually reminded me quite a bit. If you take a look at Solana right here, that also dropped back down here. It made highs right here at $45, then dropped back down, held the 28 EMA, and then from there continued rallying. It's pretty similar to what Avalanche has been doing, and what it also did, made that new high, dropped down to the 28 EMA, that blue line, and is now continuing. So purely technically, Avalanche is very bullish. The momentum has dropped down, but in the short term today, it is also bullish. It is growing, and that's also visible on the chart. Bitcoin looks relatively strong, even though that could turn at any moment. But even if it does turn, then Avax has broken above 21.5 again. So to sum it up, to summarize, Avalanche technically is bullish. Fundamentally, it has momentum, and Bitcoin is not weak right now. Which, yeah, I like, this was also practically my analysis the last time around. But yeah, I see no reason why Avalanche would not rally up higher. The main resistance level right here is between 24 and 26.5, so it's quite a big area, right? Avalanche reached 24 again already, so I think it's most likely to hit 25 and 26.5 next. That's my price target, and I see no reason why Avalanche would not get there. Perhaps if Bitcoin falls down now, like I said, that's a possibility. That could happen at any hour. But then what will happen is that Avalanche is still like it got that bullish breakout, so it still has so much support, practically all the way from 21.5 until 19.5. So then it will just grab liquidity from there, and later next week get up towards 25 and 26.5. And then from there, I'll try to keep you updated as soon as possible, because it depends, like, whether Avax can get towards $29 and $30 depends on how it reacts to that resistance. All right, so I cannot say that right now. I think it's most likely we'll get there, but then depending on how much resistance and what type of resistance we get there and what Bitcoin does at that moment, Avalanche will either get up towards $29 and $30, or this will be the local top. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis on Avax. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.